Alright, good day folks. This is Real Everyday Trader. Um, Today is day 146. So Wednesday, let's get started. Aussie Cat. Yesterday was a narrow range trading day. Seems to get narrower and narrower. So new high barely. Wanted to play the pullback yesterday, right here. I didn't take this trade. I ended up taking New Zealand cat, which I felt was a slightly better price action, and I'll show you the trade later. So right now, yeah, you can see the white dots, the high of the low price HOLP is just waiting to trigger, but so far it still has not. We're still waiting on maybe this to be broken. So right now, based on this price action, I wouldn't want to do anything. Aussie Swiss yesterday also narrow range trading, so that means we're just waiting for the range expansion to come in. Hopefully some explosive move, somewhat explosive move after narrow range trading. You can see here, narrow explosive, narrow and then explosive. So sometimes it happens. Well, most of the time it happens. So we'll just wait it out. Let's mark it. Okay. Aussie Yen. On the daily, no edge, no pattern. I mean, yeah, you can see the one push, two push, and then this could be like a complex pullback. The upside is very extended already. You can see the upside. So maybe the reversal, but obviously in this situation you don't want to trade this. In fact, it looks like it just wants to go up higher, right? I mean, looks like this is up and the pullback and then back up, or back up here. Yeah, actually very good risk reward ratio. So yeah, this one actually, yeah, can take a quick trade back to the upside. Might be okay, not too sure. Well, it's at least in sync with the other Aussie pairs that just want to come up. So this would make sense playing the upside as well. Aussie New Zealand dollar, let's just remove all these drawings. Yeah, that's my MetaTrader account loading up. Yeah, man, do you guys want to trade this? No. This one is just in a mess. I mean, this is a range breakdown here, big rejection up, so I don't like this ranges, so I'm not going to trade it. Aussie US dollar on the daily is a narrow range. Obviously I don't like it because it's in the because of the cluster here, the price action here. It's just we need to wait for some direction on this. Cat Swiss, finally some sort of a breakdown on a day, but the lower time frame charts, like the 2-hour charts, I don't really want to trade this. Yeah, this means nothing actually. Let's not trade this. Cat Yen, likewise on the daily time frame, is just rubbish as well. I'll just set an alert here because I see we call it the 3-bar breakout or 3-bar triangle, meaning like a balance in the market is still not quite broken here. These 3 days here. Yeah. I don't think we want to do anything. So let's just set alert here, far away, and just leave it as it is. Swiss yen, yeah, if not for the extended upside, obviously this is a pullback trade. It's a pullback buy, so up, pullback, and then back up again. Let's just put in our RR to see what kind of Right, 1.7. Yeah, but the weekly highs level, I mean this level here, yeah, it's obviously coming back to retest this level. Of course, it never tests perfectly. So let's just watch this. This is kind of somewhat similar to the Aussie Yen. Still wants to go upside. Okay, so this one we'll just take note, and maybe there's a trade. Let me just take a note down on my trading sheet. Okay, Euro, Aussie dollar. Yesterday was a narrow range. This means price is stalling, and you want to wait for some direction. So let's wait. There isn't much here to trade. Lower high from this swing, so it's not making new highs. So, well, we're looking for reversals, but it has to break this level before we consider any reversals. Euro, Canadian, no trade. Yeah, all sorts of weird price action here. No trade. Euro, Swiss C. This looks like no trade as well. Push down, pull back, go down? No, but it's like a complex pullback. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then God knows what he wants to do right now. Yeah. On the daily, man, it's just a mess here. Don't really want to trade this. Euro, pound. Yesterday I took the trade, took it to this high, but obviously it gave more. Well, you never know. I took it around here because of the weekly high levels, so it just exploded upwards, but that's fine. It's fine. You win some, you lose some. So for today, just put that there. I want to record this trade later in my journal. I don't believe I've recorded it yet. Let's just remove this. Yeah, if you wanted to play, obviously it's another pullback and another one to the upside, but I've already taken this yesterday. I feel it's done. Price action on the pullback is not so nice, so I will skip this. Euro, yen, yeah, up, yeah, no, another round of up, right? I don't know. Also so extended on the daily. This has been on an uptrend since, well, like May last year, right? May last year, up, and then a little more complex pullback here. So very good run by the euro. No reversal in sight yet. It still wants to go up some more, so I'll just watch it. Euro, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, yesterday we set the alert. I did nothing, hence it's a narrow range trading day. The alerts I said never got triggered. We want this to break down to take the downside, right? We want this to break down, pull back to take the downside. So nothing triggered, just leave it as it is. So set it as a note. Euro, dollar. Finally a higher high, but no nice price action for the pullback. So no trade. Yeah, in hindsight, everything looks really nice, right? I mean, you take the sell here, come down, take the buy, go up, take the sell, come down, take the buy. Yeah, but there are times you get thrown off like that, you get thrown on the short, you get thrown on the short, you get thrown on the buy. So stick to the plan, stick to the plan. British pound, Aussie dollar. We got the sell trigger. Yeah, we got one low, lower low based on this move down. The pullback is just so quick, and is it ready to reverse? Yeah, it might be. So what we'll do is we'll set this here. Pull back, sell. So pull back, and then if it breaks here, closes below this level here, we might sell, but the profit targets is actually pretty narrow. Might still be okay. In and out, a quick one. 1 point, more than one, so okay. Might be worth a small position size. British pound, Canadian, no, I don't want to trade this mess. Just don't like it. British pound, Swiss. It's just grinding. Yeah, just grinding down, grinding down, grinding down. No trade for me. Nothing obvious, I would say. British pound, yen. Yeah, it needs to break this level here, so let's set alert. It doesn't break this level, we got no trade yet. Does look like one to break, right? I mean, you never know, but it might just push higher, you know. Set it there. Oops. That's not market. Okay, British pound, New Zealand dollar, push up, pull back, push up, pull back here. So on the daily, although we got a sell here, so yesterday was a nice sell. I was looking for the pullback yesterday, but the pullback ended up being like that, narrow channel pullback. So you have to take, maybe, would you have taken the shot here? No, you've probably taken the shot here. So right now, I'm not liking this to play any more downside. Yeah, it's not much of an edge here. So let's just leave it. If I don't know what to do, I'll leave it. That's my rule of thumb. This is a white. It's like somewhat doji, so you got two dojis here. So it's just indecision in the market, right? I mean, you can clearly see it's not going anywhere. So we want it to break something at least, some level at least. Break this or this is a clear swing, so it needs to break, come down, pull back. We play the downside. And yeah, yesterday I also took this New Zealand cat trade pullback because this made a higher high. I think I had it on the watch list. Yep, this is done already. Not going to trade this anymore today, but I had that trade. It's a quick 1.2 R, so not that bad. Nothing other than, yeah, the buy is triggered here. Yeah, you want to start playing the reversal, so we want to play this upside now. So any chance for pullback, we try. But right now like that, I don't like it. New Zealand, Swiss. I got narrow range. Didn't try to break out. Hasn't done that yet. So yeah, you can see yesterday was just super messy. So no direction on this. Let's not try to trade this. Let's remove all this junk. So New Zealand yen. So all the yen pairs look like they're in sync, right? If you go back and look at all the yen pairs, it's a buy to the upside. We got this level here. So yeah, this looks like worth a shot. It's actually really good RR here. might be worth the trade. Maybe I'll split my risk into a couple of these yen trades. Does look really nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Let me just go in and open a small position. I like starting small positions. Not too much stress. Okay. Yeah, because the candle just closed, so that's why I'm entering the trade. Otherwise, I would not consider entering the trade. And I think I feel it's quite worth the risk, so might be okay. The Aussie Yen. Okay, New Zealand dollar narrow range. But I don't. Yeah, you see, it is a breakout and then a pullback to this level here. But then the previous price action is just nah, don't want to trade this. Just don't like this. It's definitely different from this one here, right? US dollar Canadian. So yesterday we set the alert levels, never got triggered, so it's still on the daily, it's still stuck in this range. So we want to wait to break out these 3 candles, then we'll take it from there. So nothing to do, we'll just set it as blue breakout. US dollar Swiss franc, just grinding lower, lower. So yeah, new low, no swing highs yet. This was one, we wanted to take this, but pull back all the way here, so never had the entry. So now we wait again. US dollar, yen, doji. I just take notes of this so that I know what's happening in the market. It just means a lot of imbalance. I mean, a lot of kind of like balance in the market where things are just not ready to move yet. And anyway, it's right in the middle of everything, so not interested. S&P 500 narrow range. So yeah, this is go back to this level. I don't know. No obvious trade in this morning other than, I mean, right? So it's already done. No trade. Nasdaq. Yeah, no trade. Pullback. So obviously I missed the trade. If you wanted to take it, 2 a.m. my time, fast asleep. So nothing to do right now. Not gonna do anything stupid. We'll just come back later to see if there's anything. So yesterday was basically a narrow range day for the indices. It's not much. Yeah, this one up here, really nice at this level. Come down. Is this a pullback for the downside? I don't know. We have to wait. Aussie index, the ESX. So this is a mighty push up. Yeah, yeah, this morning open big. So this was a pullback. So I had to be early if I wanted to maybe trade this upside, continuous upside. You would have got something. But that's done already, so no trade. Nikkei as well, so a narrow range yesterday. It's pushing up. Yeah, not gonna take any trades. Ooh, this one is interesting. Okay. So we got this lower low. So pullback. So we'll see. We'll see. Low pullback. We don't know how high, and then come back down. That's what I want to play. Makes sense. It's okay. It's okay. You can pull back here, and then we just draw a trend line. You know, all this is just arbitrary, right? I mean, I just want to have a trigger just to see if price is essentially for me to see, so that I know that the candle close, it's a bearish candle close. At least I can decide if there is a trade at all. Doesn't mean I rush into it. Okay, so that's it for indices. Let's look at crude. Okay, crude doji yesterday, and we got two white range candles. So white range, a rest day. So this is important for me. It can go up, it can go down. So I'm tracking this. There is an edge in my observation that if it breaks this low, it should come back down even more. So let's set it there, and we'll just leave it, because other than that there's nothing. It's a doji, so you want it to break certain levels. Silver, yeah, uptrend, still alive and kicking. I wouldn't even call this a pullback. No higher high anyway, so no trade. Oh, nice push. Yeah, I was trying to get an entry here on a lower time frame yesterday on a 15-minute, but I was late, so I don't want to trade when I'm tired. But in hindsight, that was a really good entry on a lower time frame here. Okay, now this is gone. It's just pushing higher and higher. I've got no trade. I've got no trade like that. Well, okay. Yeah, I mean, gold, we could see the uptrend is just, where do you find the entry in all this? Right, where do you find, everything is always easy in hindsight. Where would you have bought on the lower time frame, and even on the daily, where would you have placed your order? It's quite tough. It's not easy. Simple. Trading is simple, but not easy. So, alright, we'll check back in again, guys. Take care.